This video will show you how to replace the air intake hose on a Pontiac Grand Prix with a 3.8 liter engine. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the air intake hose, we're going to remove the upper engine cover first. To remove this, it's fairly simple. We'll take hold of the oil fill spout. We're going to turn that counterclockwise, remove it. After that, we can lift up along the front portion of this and we're going to pull it away from along the rearward side. We do have one locating tab. Set that aside. Of course, we'll make sure nothing makes its way inside of that oil inlet port, but let's continue on towards this area. We're going to go ahead and slide this out of place. Once you have the tube out of place, you're going to find that you have two clamps that have to be loosened so we can remove this inlet tube. For these clamps, I'm using an 8mm, but you can also use a flat blade screwdriver. As far as these clamps, you only have to loosen them enough that you can slide this out of position. Now, once you have them loose enough, we should be able to carefully pull this in one direction, away from our throttle body. We'll lift it up, and then pull it away from our air filter housing as well. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect the mounting area. So if you look at the throttle body, if you see any miscellaneous debris like I see here, we need to make sure we clean it out. One thing I would mention, never press on the valve inside of there. I'm just using a clean rag, no detergents. Just a quick wipe there. Let's do the same for the air filter housing. Let's get ready for installation of the air inlet tube. Now you can start with whichever side's easiest for you. I'm going to make my way up to the throttle body first. And now I'll roll it down onto the air filter housing. Once you feel as though you have it in the proper placement, it's completely bottomed out on each side, make sure the clamps are nice and tight. The new clamps, we're using a 7mm. Let's secure our tube, line it up, press it in. Make sure that's secured, and the hose is properly secured along each end. We don't want any dirty or unmetered air making its way inside the engine. Now it's time for the engine cover. Looking along the back side, we can see one locating tab. It slides into this area here. We'll rotate this as necessary, bring it down into the proper position along the front. And now we'll install the oil inlet tube. Line it up, turn it clockwise until it's completely locked in. Take hold of the upper cover, give it a wiggle, make sure that's secured in place. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is make your way inside the passenger compartment. Start the vehicle, make sure your vehicle runs as it should with no misfire or check engine light. Close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.